फीदर की। तो पहले इसका देखो फिगर फीदर की। इसमें this is the key, and there is keyhole of same shape is here. Keyhole of same shape is here. On the shaft, and hole will be slightly bigger than the key. Slightly bigger than the key. So that key can move by small amount inside the keyhole. So this is the keyhole here. And this is the shaft. Okay, this is the shaft. So here when this key will go inside this shaft, when this key will go inside this shaft, so it can have slight, axial movement inside the hole. Hole is slightly bigger than the length. ये देख पा रहे हैं फिगर? Okay, so this is how key can have slight axial movement inside the keyhole, and there will be two nuts. So key will be provided on the hub. So hub will be like this. Hub body will be like this. So when key can move like this, so this hub can have slightly axial displacement on the shaft like this. Clear? ये डायग्राम क्लियर हुआ? Very good. So here this is the shaft, and this is the hub. Shaft and hub. Here keyhole will be of this size. And key will be of small size. Key will be of small size. So along with the key, this key will be fitted on the hub. Key will be fitted on the hub. So along with key, this hub can have slight axial movement with respect to shaft. तो यहाँ पर इसको लिख दो, दिस इज योर पैरेलल की, दिस इज योर की वे और की होल इन द शाफ्ट, and there is clearance between keyhole and key shaft, sorry, keyhole and key, there is clearance. होगा, शाफ्ट का स्ट्रेंथ कम होगा यहाँ, बट जो इसका एप्लीकेशन है उसको तो पूरा करना पड़ेगा ना. सो व्हेन एवर रिलेटिव एक्सियल डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड, इन दैट केस यू यूज दिस की. जैसे पुली जो रहता है, बेल्ट वाला पुली, उसमें आप देखते हो एक फ्री पुली रहता है, पढ़ा है ना बेल्ट ड्राइव में, वन पुली इज फ्री पुली. तो जब मशीन को चलाना होता है, देन बेल्ट विल बी ऑन ड्राइवर एंड ड्रिवन पुली. ड्राइवर पुली generally you don't stop it again and again, but when you don't want to move the machine, then you shift the belt from driven pulley to free pulley. So belt will be rotating, but your machine will stop. then you can change some orientation of workpiece or ये सब. Otherwise, in some cases, whole pulley will be slided like this to other place. Then you can do some maintenance work. Then again you start the motion. Got the point or not? तो जहां हमको नीड होगी वहां यूज तो करना पड़ेगा. डायग्राम बन गया. तो आगे बढ़ो. Write down few points about it. First point, it is a parallel key fixed by some means sorry fixed by some means on the hub side. On the hub side और shaft side. इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हो. If key will be on shaft side, then hole will be on hub side. Hub side. The keyhole is slightly bigger than the key. So, small axial relative movement is allowed between shaft and hub. Shaft and hub. Okay. This is the thing. Next. This fit is called clearance fit. This fit is called clearance fit between key and hole. But at the same time, there is no relative angular motion allowed between hub and shaft. Between hub and shaft. ठीक है जी भाई साहब.